Hello traders, so here is our today's trade report video and traders, today it was such a very simple day. आज इतना आसान दिन था, I can't even imagine and I can't even believe. आज बहुत ही आसान दिन था. आज किसी ने अभी लॉस किया है तो really they must have to stop trading because इतने आसान दिन बहुत कम मिलते हैं. We rarely get such simple days because the first trade which I have taken in Nifty, that is for my G5 strategy. So यहाँ पे days first 5 minute candle was a good green candle and there was a closing inside this green candle and all the rules were meeting. So entry was around 2,204 rupees and exited around 248 rupees. Profit per lot is 3,300 rupees. It's not only that I have taken this trade, even my students have taken this trade. As you can see here, they have shared me all that they have taken and booked the profit as well. And the second trade was for this kind of M pattern which I have developed especially for Nifty and Bank Nifty on sideways days. Here in the just one candle our target has been hit. For Nifty 25,350p, 150 around 150 was entry and 202 was our 1:2 target. Per lot profit is around 3,900. And finally I got one more trade, that is in Bank Nifty, that is for my G5B strategy, guys. Even though I was not interested, but still it was so easily visible, so I took this trade because day's first payment was a good green candle and there was a good closing below this. And in this also, if anybody had taken trade, just one lot, we have got a very good target, a very good profit. So for the day the profit is around 10,410 rupees, guys, just with one lot. If anybody has traded this, taken these trades, the per lot profit is around 10,410 rupees. And it's not like I have taught this all strategy like G5, G5B, M pattern, all these strategies I have taught free of cost to all my webinar students. So if you want to learn such simple trading strategies, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also you can join my free Telegram channel. The link is in the pinned comments and description. And don't forget to comment, like and share with your friends.